This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Landry-Sonstegard. This great custom-built open floor plan home is in Royal Harbor, a gated 55-plus active adult community, on the shores of Little Lake Harris. It is ready for you to move right in and make it your own. Both interior and exterior have been freshly painted, and there is new quality luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the home. You will appreciate the oversized garage with acrylic painted floor, insulated garage door, attic access, and an extra outdoor access storage room. This home was built with many energy-saving upgrades, including double pane windows, radiant heat barrier in attic, and insulated, tailored foam, block walls, insulation over garage, and a natural gas tankless water heater. The house was plumbed for gas and electric. The front courtyard entry welcomes you with a paver walkway leading up to the leaded glass front door. The open floor plan with high ceilings creates a light and bright living space. The great room, or living room/dining room combination, has a nice wood-burning fireplace, and opens to the Florida room. The kitchen is bright and cheery, with a nice eat-in space as well as a breakfast bar looking out over the great room. The master bedroom has sliders that open to the arbor over the outside patio. The master bath has double sinks, a shower and jetted garden tub with a cute little atrium area outside the large window, to let in natural light and provide privacy. Nice split plan. One of the guest rooms has 2 closets for extra storage. Royal Harbor is ready to welcome you home. Come live your best life in this lushly landscaped community on the Harris chain of lakes. Clubhouse, heated, and screened junior Olympic-sized pool, spa, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, shuffleboard, bocce, clubs, dances, dinners, shows, and more. RV and boat storage too. Come see for yourself. Call to see this home and community today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Landry-Sonstegard at 352-729-7325.